Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the downloads in your Microsoft Edge web browser really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So open your Home tab here in Microsoft Edge, and what you want to do is click on the three dots in the top right corner to access your browser settings. And all you need to do, guys, is click on Downloads here. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-J. That is going to redirect you or open up that window here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply either click on that button here to access your downloads folder and to delete all downloaded files from there manually, or alternatively, simply click on that option here, more options, and from that menu below, select Open Downloads Page. That is going to take you to the list of your all downloaded files. So you will see them. However, guys, as you can see, I haven't downloaded any. So what you will need to do is simply click on Clear All here to clear that list from all downloaded files. And that's basically it. That's how you clear downloads from Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.